Here we are, then. You're on your own from now on.
What?
That's it. I quit.
Wait a minute.
Look.
Hoggle!
Said I didn't promise nothing. I said I'd take you as far as I could go.
You little cheat. You nasty little
Now,
cheat.
don't try to embarrass me. I've got no pride.
Oh, yeah?
That's my jewels. Now, you give them back. Give them back. Give those back. Now, give those back to me.
Now, there's the castle. Which way should we try?
Them's my rightful property. It's not fair.
No, it isn't. But that's the way it is. Excuse me, please. But can you help me?
Oh, young girl.
Woo, woo, woo!
And who is this?
My friend.
Yes. What can I do for you?
Please, can you tell... That is, I have to get to the castle at the center of the labyrinth. Do you know the way?
Yes. You want to get to the castle, huh?
How's that for brain power, huh?
Be quiet!
Nuts.
No. So, young woman, the way forward is sometimes the way back.
Will you listen to this crap?
Will you please be quiet?
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right.
What?
Sorry.
Finished?
Yes.
Quite often, young lady, it seems like we're not getting anywhere, when in fact,
We are.
we are.
I'm certainly not getting anywhere at the moment.
Huh. Join the club. I think that's your lot. Please, leave a contribution in a little box.
Don't you dare! Them's mine!
Well, I guess I can spare this.
Gracias, señorita.
Oh, you didn't have to give him that. He didn't tell you nothing.
Well then. There you go, couple of suckers. It's so stimulating being your head.
Why did you say that about my being your friend?
How was that?
You are. You may not be much of a friend, but you're the only friend
I missed every single part of that.
Pardon?
I missed every single part of that.
So was I. I'm just silently chuckling to myself as I'm watching. I'm like, I know this quote, I know this quote, I know this quote. And now the part, I can't get this part on friggin', whatchamacallit, on YouTube anywhere, so I'm going to have to record it myself. Ah, crap, gone too far. Ready?